We're gonna start with some shipping, turbo diesel testing, Kevin, glow in the dark, Bell. Need to send this one also. Red um, branch line with a white top, a lot of battery covers, snow plows, and we continue. What you doing, Tequila? So I need to continue. I have a lot of these models to check and double check to see if they work. I have no. Is C battery or this one is actually fast. Plarail Hero working. So if you're following my channel recently, I'm trying to check every single item I have because I'm posting for sale. I'm putting this for sale, and this one needs a little cleaning. So I'm gonna post. Yeah, I fixed this one before. Trying to fix all these models for sale. Hold on. So I got the other day a question. Actually, someone told me to put these coaches, open top coaches, with a Stephen rocket. I don't know, whatever you want to name it. See how they look side by side? They look cool, amazing. Yeah, these are available on my eBay store. If you are new to the channel, 3D printing now some models. Look at the spoke wheels. They are not solid wheels like a Pla-rail or Trackmaster, but they look really good with the rocket. Yeah, check the link in the description. I do have this on red too. I've seen some. I think it's what was the name of that character that had the red open top carriages or passenger cars? I think it was I forgot, but let me know in the comments because I don't remember. Where's the battery at? Is it here? Oh man, I forgot they have the batteries here. So I don't know how long I'm going to keep this, but I recently I had no chance to upload for various reasons, for so many reasons. But I hope I can post. I know you guys will get bored of watching these videos, but we are working on it. Hold on, you know what? I think I made one of these for Ben Bill. Is this the one for Ben Bill? Let me check. Okay, I gotta find it. Okay, here's the thing. I have this bunch of snow plows that still need to clean. You need to clean this. And these snow plows are for Ben Bill. Look at that, beautiful. So there's one that is in this direction, and the other one should point the other direction, the other way. I think I printed them in bulk, so it's right here. This is the one that goes to the other opposite direction. Yeah, if you, like I said, check the link below. I have them for sale. Just need to clean this one. It looks awesome. Cool. Nice. So we continue. I have this motorized. I need to double check, clean. What is James tender? Okay, I think we don't have a tender, or maybe. Okay, small bit. Still not done. Okay. So I need to double check. You know, since I have this storage for a longer period of time, I don't know if they still work or not. That one is moving. 4-wheel drive. 4 wheels have traction. That's a really good. See that? I really like it. You know, 4 wheels. the four wheels contain, I mean, have the traction. That's really good. So these ones are good. I need to double check. Yeah, I'm about to put them for sale, you know. If you're watching the video the first day I posted, that means they still not available, but you can check next day. I'm trying to you know, check every single model, clean battery terminals, compartments and everything. Yeah, that's good. Toby. Noisy. See, one of the reasons I used to record is at night, because during the day there are cars passing by, there's a lot of noise, the train, there's, I think a CSX or something um, line that is just about a block away from here, you know. What's going on? Okay, it's working. Yep, works. I need to continue checking. Okay, these are ready to go. And this is dash a little what is that, pen mark or something. Yeah, see the problem with buying, selling, and what's going on here. Okay, and making videos, fixing, repair and everything. Well, my case, since being one-man band, was it working or not? It takes time. I need to fix this thing. It's, yeah, I mean, I can't do this, all this, but you know, I'm just started to, I cannot edit the videos. Well, see, what I'm trying to say is I will not be able to edit the videos, so I'm just going to test as I go, fix, repair as I go, trying to avoid you know, make a nice video. So I'm just going to just go ahead and post whatever I can onto my reach of my hands. Somebody from Poland ordered 8 Hanks battery covers. I'm gonna add 2 more. Thank you for your orders. So I added some snowplow for Thomas, Henry, Emily. Now Emily, I super glued Emily, so we just super glue it. This is the one we have with LED light. Is Percy Trackmaster Revolutions. This one also includes side plates. This one, check the link in the description.